Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can compare two images taken at two different times, in this case two drone flights, and the vegetation index derived from those drone flights, in this case Wari. In the previous videos you have seen how to download Wari from of 18th December 2019 and clip it, and how to compute histogram and statistics. The same way, I have also downloaded Wari from the drone flight of 22nd January 2020. So let me open that file and I will show you some tricks to compare them visually and also using basic statistics. So let's open the raster file of Wari 22 January 2020, downloaded from WebODM. So here is the second vegetation index. And to visually compare, you always have to make sure that we apply the same color palette with the same minimum and maximum values. Then only you can visually compare them in a logical way. So to do that, what we can do is we can right click on the image from which you want to copy the colors from, go to styles, copy style, and go to the new vegetation index, which is in grayscale. Right click, styles, paste style. So now you can see that they both are in the same color palette. The next step of what we did uh, with the last image was to clip it with the maze boundary. So what we can do is we can go to processing toolbox, search for mask or clip raster by mask layer. I select the January image, mask layer as this one, and again you can select the source one as 32736, which is 36 UTM 36 South, and the target also as the same one. And you can here you can give a output file name for the same naming format with a underscore clip to the name. I will run it. You can see that the clipped image is already here in the QGIS. I'll switch off the big one, and again I will copy the color palette and paste it to the clipped one. So now we have two images taken, one in December, which is the germination period of the maize in this field, and in January, where the maize has grown up to a certain level. So you can already see that from this vegetation index that in January it shows a lot of vegetation compared to December. In one of the tutorial in the last section, you also saw how to use map swipe. So you can also use map swipe tool here, which is a plugin which you have to install separately to swipe and see the differences like this. Let's also compute histogram from the new image. Compute it. And here already you can see that the most of the pixels inside the field has moved from a negative vegetation index Wari to a positive Wari values, which shows that they all have vegetation now, ground vegetation. I will save this histogram into a PNG file. that this is for December and this is for January drone flight vary values, and you can see a clear shift from negative to positive values, which shows the growth in vegetation as you have seen in the ortho photos. Thank you.